Why is it important to register your 7111 tablet? To start, having a registered account grants you access to a vast database of millions of technician-validated repair solutions and replacement parts, eliminating the need to spend hours trying to find the right solution. Get this and so much more by registering your 7111 tablet. With a registered account, you gain access to a wealth of benefits. The tablet automatically lets you know whenever there's a new update. Maximize your diagnostic experience by being the first to receive the latest tool updates and enhancements. Get exclusive access to Repair Solutions Pro, a powerful platform that offers comprehensive diagnostic data. It helps you diagnose complex DTCs by providing you with a verified fix, which includes the component needed to make the correct repair. Plus, view the vehicle's factory TSBs, safety recalls, scheduled maintenance intervals, predicted failures, and so much more. We've made the registration process simple. Go to the Settings tab and scroll to Account Information, enter your email, name, password, zip code, and address, and finish by tapping Create an Account. That's it. Sign up today and experience the future of vehicle diagnostics.
Find the problem, fix the problem.